Well, today is a really good day. I'm kind of excited. First, let me let these chickens out. Come on, hens. Chick, chick, chick. Come on, girls. Come on out. Oh, my gosh. Look at them all. No, I don't have any scratch for you. But we're going to be... Our herd buck, Boaz here, he's 9 years old. And we're going to be getting another buck to replace him today. Well, we're going to go look at some and then see which one we want. But he's getting old. Time to retire him. So we're going to get a new herd buck, go up to Albany today in Oregon and look at a new herd buck. Now Boaz don't. He starts getting all frisky and hurts me. Don't. Hey, stop. So anyway, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to head to Albany and look for a new herd buck and see what we end up with. We won't be bringing one home because they're not old enough yet, but we want to pick them out so we get a good choice. So, all right, we're heading to Albany. Let's go. All right, we're up here in Albany looking for a new herd male goat. So, and we found a place that has so many goats it'd blow your mind. Look at all these goats. Holy cow. So we've picked out choice between, where'd that one? Oh, over here. We're looking at this one here, or this little guy here, and he's 4 weeks younger, and he's going to be a stud. 3 weeks younger, and he's going to be a little stud. So we're thinking, I like that black. I really do. I think we may go with this one here. But she's got so many goats here. Holy cow. That one's got pretty tricolor.
I bet.
And there you are. Look at this. We got goats. Oh,
you be nice.
Hi, guys and girls. Okay. Well, I think that's going to be the one we're going to pick.
Hi, baby. Hi, darling. Yeah. Of these two.
Between these two here.
Hi, baby.
Well, hi there, big guy. Hi.
So,
That's some pretty tricolors. Take you all home. I'll take you all home with us.
I'd love to take you home. We ain't got that.
We put videos of our goats up.
Anyhow, these guys play with the cats all the time.
Oh my gosh, they're playing with a cat over here. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Look at these two pretties. Get off. They start out young, don't they? Well, hi there. How are you? Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. And you're the one we want too. Nah.
I have 13 baby lambs right now.
Wow, 13 baby lambs. She's got 30 bucklings right now. 30 males, not counting the females. I mean, this is incredible, man. The goats everywhere. I love it. Okay, what are you doing, everybody? Oh, look at everybody. Look at everybody. Hot dog. We got goats. Look at the goats. This is heaven. Nah.
So what mineral do you feed them?
Man, look at this nice female.
Maybe black and white, but you know what I mean. There's always a variation.
Heavy
rarely
bodied.
Try. Even though I think she's tri, isn't she? Is she right there? No, oh, here he is right here.
Oh, yeah.
See there, I just put grain in earlier
Right.
before you came. Hello. Hello, little boy.
Yeah, there he is. That's the other one. And I think more than anything, it's the colors that are doing it right now. You know how that goes. Look at these babies in there eating. Crib feeder. That's a nice crib feeder. This is nice.
We built the feeder.
Yeah, this is nice. Really nice. Wow.
But we found it really helps them grow.
Right. Oh, yeah.
Even though they spend 80% of their time out here eating.
So you use PVC for part of the creep feeder?
So
No,
this
we
one
bought
here,
that door
between this one
year because
and this one.
everything we made, they like break.
Oh, hi.
And so I spent the money for this door. And so what you do is,
Ouch.
as they get bigger,
Oh, he bit me.
see how you can move.
All right, we're going to be looking at the males. The dad are the ones we're looking at. Hey, come here, guys. Come on.
Jersey,
Come here.
Jersey.
Come here.
Hi, Durs. I was up earlier.
He'll move because remember he doesn't like anybody.
This is the males.
You know what they named him? Fabio.
Fabio, listen, look at this stud. This guy is an absolute stud. Hi, Fabio.
No, that's Jersey.
This is Jersey here.
Yeah, that's Jersey.
Come on, Jersey, get up. He goes, I'm 9. I don't want to get up.
Want to get up, big boy?
Because when you're standing by him, it's
Come on.
come on,
Come on.
come on,
Get up, get up.
come on. Look how big he is.
He says, I'm not getting up. I'm
Well,
not
he
going."
got to be close to 300,
Uh-huh.
300 pounds. And
When
this
he's
is,
when he's really
Oh.
fattened up, he's about 350.
you want to stand up for us, big Fabio? Hey, Fabio.
Fabio.
This
Come on,
Jersey-
Fabio.
That's Jersey.
Come on, Jersey.
Oh, Jersey. I'm calling the wrong name.
I don't think he'll get up.
Nah, that's all right. You don't want to get up?
You should have seen him when he had both horns.
Yeah, I got
Oh,
one
yeah.
horn broke off.
Very intimidating.
Oh, he's intimidated the way it is. I mean, he's massive. 300
Yeah,
pounds ain't
see-
nothing to joke about.
Our Kiko, his horns didn't
He's 9
come
years
far
old, too.
outside
Imagine him in his
didn't
prime.
They, they
But
did
this
more
is
of a
the s-
complete circle.
The male to the
okay.
ones we're looking at. So
More like Frosties.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
there's his horns. Jeez. Impressive.
He has such a big nose, doesn't he?
Yeah. He's a big animal.
How you doing?
He's so
For,
friendly.
for a goat,
He's
I mean,
just-
this thing's
He's just so friendly.
like a small cow. Yeah.
People are afraid of him too, but there's nothing to be afraid of. He's,
Well, if he was mean, he would be. If something,
Oh, yeah,
if he was like my male right now, that's kind of ornery, he would be.
I got really pissed one time. They were doing the hooves, and they were young men.
Oh,
So
yeah.
young men like to
One look at
taunt
you.
him.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, that's not good.
And so what he did was he got him to run at him, and then he held on to the horns, and Jersey took him for a ride. But Jersey wasn't being mean, but
He was like,
you know
oh.
he was taunting him, and so
He
whenever
showed him
I
who was
have
the
whenever I
boss.
have young men working here, I have to make sure when they clean this pen, I wash them because I don't trust them.
And this is the
They
other
think it's
male.
funny.
Right. And they can get seriously hurt.
Right, I
No one
mean,
thinks
he
about
swings
it.
around his horn sometimes and
Boy.
close me, and you know,
All
not
right,
even trying.
he's shy. Come here, buddy.
Oh yeah, he's a
Fabio, come here, Fabio. You got some hair going on you, buddy.
he's a putz.
Come here, Fabio.
I'm just laying here because we're not going out.
This one here, back here is a lot bigger than him.
We're not going out today. Well, look at the difference in their face.
Yeah, their faces alone. All right.
When I got him, I was like, man, he's kind of small.
Yeah, compared to the other
I
one.
mean, I was like, this
Yeah.
Zeke was a little
He's only
smaller than him.
250 pounds. Look at the size of him, though. He's not no baby.
No.
Wow.
Zeke was
I'm excited. I can't wait. They're going to be big goats, aren't they?
Yep.
Yeah.